काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय हो जाएगी, बहुमी करेगा कब. This is Hindi saying which we all heard it, right? Am I right? Yes, I am. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home as well as at your workplaces. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer, Vinsum Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. Today, I am going to share my views on the topic power of now. The power of this very moment. The power of the moment which I am talking to you right now. If you want to change something in your life, if you want to upgrade yourself, if you want to do something good in your life, then this is the moment. Not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. Now. This is the right time to start anything good. This is the right time to leave anything bad. This is the right time to think positive. This is the right time to leave your negative thoughts. This is the right time. I will tell you guys that the most precious thing in this world is this very moment. The moment which we are living at right now. Because this moment will not ever come back. And believe me guys, we can't buy this moment no matter how rich we are. Because moments can't buy. It can be just rejoiced or can be enjoyed. It can't buy it. So enjoy this very moment. No matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, you have to enjoy your life. And if you want to enjoy your life, this is the moment. This is the very moment you enjoy your life. If you want to leave something bad habit, this is the moment. If you want to start good things, this is the moment. Because we all know tomorrow never comes. कल कभी नहीं आता. जो करना है आज ही करना है. Tomorrow never comes. Am I right? Yes, I am. So, as a student, if there is a holiday homework for you, then do it now. Because tomorrow will not come. As an employee, if there is a presentation which you need to prepare, do it now. Because tomorrow will not ever come back. Will not come. You have to see whatever you want to do in your life. This is the moment. This is the moment where you can start anything. Anything good or leave anything bad. Once you realize that this is my moment, you can do anything. You will be limitless once you start realizing that this is my moment. This is my moment and I am going to kill it. I will use most out of it. At that time, you can do anything in your life. You can touch skies once you start realizing this. So always think positive more than negative ones. Because once you start think positive, your mindset, your body will react according to that. If you need to start investing on yourself, on your property, do it now. Because once this moment gone, it will not come back. So always think this, that you need to live in the present. Because present is the key to be happy in your life. Not the past, not the future. It's the present. Don't ruin your life by thinking about present, past or thinking about the future. Live in present. Once you start living at the present, you start enjoying your life. I'm guaranteed you. once you start living at the present moment, you enjoy your life. That's the power of now. Let's suppose you are talking to someone but thinking about something else. It means you are not present at that time. You are physically present in front of him or her but not mentally. So, whenever you talk to someone, be mentally and physically both present at that time, because at that time that is very necessary to be present mentally and physically both to understand what he or she is saying to you. So always be ready to grab the opportunities which will in your path to get success. Avoid negative things, adapt positive things. Stop complaining. Once you stop complaining, you start realizing that I need to change. I need to change this thing in me, or I need to upgrade my skills so that I will not complain about this later on in my life. So always be ready to change yourself and change for the good ones, not for the bad ones. Change for good cause, not for bad cause. Invest on yourself, invest on your self education, because once you start investing on yourself, you do wonders in future. But for that you need to invest. And how you will invest? Invest at this very moment. So I just request you that to live in the present, not in past or not in future, just in present. And guys, please like this video, share this video, and if possible comment as well, because your comments are the boosters for me. They work like boosting for me. Thank you.